Most CFA candidates don't fail because they didn't study enough, but because they do the prep in a wrong way. That is a mistake that takes almost 20 to 25 marks out of the examination. In this video, I want to talk about this mistake and how to fix it. The mistake is simple. Most candidates memorize formulas without understanding the logic behind it. When you do that, oftentimes we are going to have issues in answering conceptual questions. For example, let's say there are two bonds, right? Same maturity, everything is similar, same par value, same annual coupon, but the coupon rate is different, okay? Now, if the interest rates goes up, which of the bond is going to be impacted the hardest? Most candidates at this point freeze or guess because they memorize rules but not the logic. But clearer thinkers ask a different question. Where do the cash flows come from? In a lower coupon bond, bulk of the cash flows come at the end, the principal, and this is going to be impacted, discounted harder by the higher rates. So this bond is going to fall more. This is just logical reasoning. This mistake shows up everywhere, not only fixed income and equity, derivatives. Every topic, there are a lot of conceptual questions where you need to have clarity of the concept. So if you are seeing a formula, don't just blindly memorize it. The way to get to that clarity is to answer three questions. What is the economic rationale or logic behind that formula? Second thing, if one variable changes, how does that impact my computation? And third, when will this formula break? Is there exception? If you can have these three answers, that is the level of clarity required to answer these conceptual questions in your CFA exam. And this is going to boost your scores easily, 15, 20, 25 points in a 180 question. That's a big 10% boost. And that is going to make the difference between attempting a CFA exam and clearing it. Hopefully this helps you and you start to think about it in this way. If you want to think about it more from a conceptual clarity rather than memorization, do subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon. All the best.